Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to add money to your Interactive Brokers account step by step using the app. From the home screen, tap the three dots in the top left corner. Next, hit the big blue Deposit Funds button. You'll see your saved methods, like one in Euro and one in USD. To add a new method, tap Use New Deposit Method and pick the currency you want. Depending on your selection, IBKR will suggest different funding options. Most people choose a bank transfer, but feel free to explore what appears on your side. Fill in your bank details, local bank, Revolut, or whatever is most convenient, and save. Now, let's use our preset Euro bank transfer. Enter the amount you want to deposit, for example 1,000 euros. Decide if this should be a recurring transfer, like weekly or monthly, or just one time. I'll leave it as one time, and tap Get Transfer Instructions. IBKR will show a confirmation screen with the bank details and a unique payment reference, which is your brokerage account number. This reference is important. When sending the money from your bank, make sure you use your own account and follow the instructions exactly. Don't copy what you see on my screen, and don't forget to add the payment reference line, so IBKR knows the funds are yours. Click Finish, and the bank transfer is now ready. Once your bank sends the wire, the cash usually arrives within 1 business day, sometimes the same day if it's a local transfer. You'll get an in-app notification when the funds clear, and they'll appear under your cash balance in the Portfolio tab. You can also check the transfer status by going back to the menu, then clicking Transactions. Pending transfers will show here, and you can review older transfers that were successful. It's that simple. Adding funds to your Interactive Brokers account is quick and straightforward once you know the steps. Before you go, if you want to keep your online activities secure while managing your investments, I recommend using NordVPN. It protects your connection, keeps your data private, and ensures your account details stay safe. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.